Welcome to the ABI Snapshot, where we spotlight critical findings and the latest research from our global team of analysts. In this snapshot, we're speaking about the Southeast Asia friendshoring opportunity for Western enterprises with ABI Research's VP Asia Pacific, Jake Saunders, and Senior Analyst Matthias. Why are Western enterprises shifting manufacturing away from China?
Several factors are at play: rising manufacturing costs, unpredictable regulations, and a lack of geographic diversification make it risky to depend on China as a single hub. Enterprises like Intel, Apple, and Nike have already scaled back their operations there, opting for Southeast Asia instead. Official data from Southeast Asia highlights this trend, with Thailand reporting a 10-year high of over $32 billion in investment applications for 2024, and Malaysia recording $74 billion in approved foreign direct investments in 2023.
What makes Southeast Asia an attractive alternative?
Southeast Asia is an attractive regional market, provides a very capable and competitive labor force, as well as proactive government support for industrial transformation. As a result of this, we're seeing countries like Thailand, Malaysia, Vietnam, and Indonesia emerging as global manufacturing hubs. Just to give some examples, initiatives such as Malaysia's Industrial Master Plan and Vietnam's Digital Transformation Strategy are incentivizing investments, while tax rates and the China Plus One strategy is also stimulating Western enterprises to take a keen interest in the region.
How is technology redefining manufacturing in the region?
Southeast Asia is adopting Industry 4.0 technologies like AI, IoT, and private 5G to enhance efficiency and lower costs. For instance, predictive maintenance powered by AI helps avoid equipment failures, while digital twins simulate production scenarios to optimize resources. These innovations are gradually transforming the manufacturing landscape, with 1/3 of factories in the region expected to adopt such solutions by 2028.
What makes Southeast Asia a prime location for Western manufacturers?
Southeast Asia represents an expanding hub for smart manufacturing, offering substantial opportunities for Western enterprises that aim to shift from China. As Jake mentioned earlier, constructive government initiatives such as Thailand's Eastern Economic Corridor and Vietnam's various economic zones that offer corporate tax incentives to investors are key stimuli. Additionally, competitive labor costs, political stability, and rapidly growing economies are also key strengths of the Southeast Asian region. Through technological investments, strategic partnerships, and region-specific solutions, businesses can tap into a dynamic market poised for exponential growth. As Southeast Asia continues its Industry 4.0 journey, those who embrace innovation will secure competitive advantage compared to laggards.
How does ABI Research support Western enterprises looking to tap into Southeast Asia's smart manufacturing market?
ABI Research is well positioned to help Western enterprises make the shift. There are a number of challenges, roadblocks facing enterprise and SME businesses. Our Southeast Asia Digital Transformation Research Service helps companies, organizations, and indeed also governments understand these individual market complexities such as regulatory environments, the competition, and the market potential. ABI Research can play a pivotal role in highlighting these key factors, ensuring that our clients are best informed to make their best strategic decisions with either starting or indeed expanding operations in the Southeast Asia region.
Thanks so much, Jake and Matthias. For a deeper dive into the Southeast Asia opportunity, download the white paper, Beyond China, Southeast Asia's Potential for Friendshoring Western Enterprises Supply Chains.